If you are also tired of such notifications, today I will help you to block them. Click the three dots icon in the top right corner of the browser window, then select Settings. In the left-hand menu, click Privacy and Security. Click on Site Settings. Find the Notification option. When you click on the Notification option, you will find all the site notification sightings of the Chrome. If you want to block all site notifications, then click on Don't allow sites to send me notifications. And if you want to block specific site, then follow the method in video.